This series of video lecture explains how inventory masters in Tally can be used for inventory management. Inventory is the total amount of goods or material contained in a store or factory at any given time. It includes goods company sales, raw material used to manufacture products, work in progress or unfinished goods. Inventory management is the process of ordering, storing and using company's inventory. It is one of the important activity for business organization. In Tally, there are various inventory masters used for inventory management, such as stock category, stock groups, stock items, units of measures, and godown. In this video lecture, let us see how stock category is used for inventory management. Stock category offers a parallel classification of stock items. Like stock groups, classification is done based on similarity in behavior. It is used to group stock items of similar features belonging to different stock groups. As shown in the table, stock groups are used to group stock items company-wise. In the similar way, stock category can also be used to group the products based on the product type. By default, in Tally, stock category is disabled. To enable stock category option in inventory info menu, press F11. Select inventory features. It displays various features related to inventory management. For enabling stock category, set yes for maintain stock categories. Once it is done, stock category option will be displayed under inventory info menu of Gateway of Tally. Various operations can be performed on stock category. First, creation of stock category. To create stock category, go to Gateway of Tally, select Inventory Info. It displays various inventory masters. From that, select stock category. Select Create under Single Stock Category option to create stock category one at a time. It displays stock category creation screen wherein provide the details, name, enter the name of the stock category. In the next option under specify whether it is a primary category or a subcategory of another category. Select primary from the list if we do not have a parent group. Use Alt+C to create a parent if we do not have the required category in the list. It means the category which you want to create under a parent category, if it is not available, use Alt+C, which will create the parent category first, and under parent category it will create subcategory. For example, While creating stock category biscuits under food items, if food items is not available, use Alt plus C. So first it will allow you to create food items. Under food items, it will create biscuits category. It is also possible to create more than one stock categories at a time. For creating multiple stock categories, follow the steps. Go to Gateway of Tally, Inventory Info, select stock categories and select Create under Multiple Stock Category option. It allows you to create more than one stock category at a time. Next operation which can be performed with stock category is display. We can display the existing stock category in single mode and multiple mode. Single mode, to see stock category one at a time. Multiple mode can be used to see the list of stock category, multiple categories at a time. Since it is only display, it doesn't allow us to alter or to make any modifications in the information which is already entered. Steps for displaying stock category are: go to Gateway of Tally, select Inventory Info, select Stock Categories, select Display under single or multiple stock category mode. Altering a stock category. This option allows us to view the existing stock category in edit mode. Here we are allowed to change the various information which is already entered for a stock category. To alter stock category, go to Gateway of Tally, select Inventory Info, select Stock Categories, select Alter under Single Stock Category or under Multiple Stock Category option. Deletion of stock category. Deletion is possible only in the alteration mode. Once the stock category is displayed under edit mode, to delete it, press Alt D. For deletion, we cannot delete a stock category in multiple mode. It is possible to delete a stock category only in single mode. Now let us switch to Tally and see how stock category can be used in Tally. Once the company is created as accounts with inventory, select Inventory Info, it displays inventory. Once all the stock categories are created, display option can be used to view or to display stock categories created. Select Display, select the required stock category to view its details, press Enter. as it is display, it only displays the information related to that category. It doesn't allow to make any modifications to the already recorded information. Press escape. To view all stock categories at once, display under multiple stock category option can be used. It displays all the categories created. To make alterations while creating stock categories, by mistake, if some incorrect information is added, it can be modified by using alter option. To make modification, select alter. It is also possible to modify the details for multiple stock categories at a time. For that, select alter under multiple stock category option. Let us select alter under single stock category. It displays all the categories created. Select stock category to be altered. Let us create biscuit as a primary category and not as the subcategory under food items. For that, we need to change this option as primary. After this, biscuit will be created as a primary category and not as a subcategory. Press escape to go back to stock category menu. Alter option can also be used for deleting stock category. For deletion, select alter. Select the required category to be deleted. Category will be displayed in the edit mode. Press Alt D. Press Y. The category will get deleted. Deletion can be done only in single mode, not in multiple mode.